Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English Stories. I'm Mabel. And I'm Jessie. Today, we're talking about two small but very confusing English words. Yes, and those words are since and for. Many English learners get confused between these two. Even students who study English for many years sometimes make mistakes. These words look simple, but their use is different. That is why we decided to record this episode. Today, we will explain everything in a very simple way. First, we will give some examples. Then, we will ask you questions. You can think about the answer, or you can write the answer in the comments. After that, we will explain the correct answer. Later, we will explain the grammar rules. And we will also practice together. We will also give real-life situations. So you can use these words in daily conversations. Ready? Let's begin. Exercise number 1. Listen carefully. I have lived in this city blank 5 years. Think about the correct word. Should it be since or for? Take 5 seconds to think. If you want, pause the podcast. Ready? The correct answer is for. The sentence is, I have lived in this city for 5 years. Because 5 years is a period of time. Now, exercise number 2. She has worked in this company blank 2020. Think about it. The answer is since. She has worked in this company since 2020. Because 2020 is a starting point. Good. Let's try another one. We have waited here blank 2 hours. The correct answer is for. We have waited here for 2 hours. Now another example. They have been friends blank childhood. The answer is since. They have been friends since childhood. Great job if you got it right. Don't worry if you made mistakes. That is why we are practicing. Many learners ask the same question. Why are since and for confusing? One reason is translation. Yes, in many languages, there is only one word for both. So, learners think they mean the same thing, but in English, they are different. Another reason is grammar. These words are often used with present perfect tense. For example, I have lived here for 5 years. Or, I have lived here since 2018. Many learners say something like this. I live here since 5 years. That sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I have lived here for 5 years. Another mistake. She is working here since 2021. Correct sentence, she has been working here since 2021. The tense is important. Yes. But the rule is actually very simple. For equals duration. Since equals starting point. Remember this rule. It will help you a lot. Let's explain both words clearly. First, we talk about for. We use for when we talk about a length of time. It answers the question, how long? Examples, I studied for 2 hours. She slept for 8 hours. They played football for 30 minutes. We use for with time periods, like minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years. Now, let's talk about since. We use since to show the starting point in time. It answers the question, from when? Examples, I have lived here since 2015. She has worked here since Monday. They have known each other since childhood. So, remember, for equals time period, since equals starting point. Very simple. Let's practice again. Exercise 1. I have not seen him blank 2 weeks. Think. Answer. 4. I have not seen him for 2 weeks. Next, she has been sick blank Monday. Answer. Since. She has been sick since Monday. Next question. We have studied English blank 3 years. Answer. 4. Next one. I have known her blank 2010. Answer. Since. Great practice. Now try to answer these by yourself. We will say the sentence. You choose the word. Sentence 1. They have lived here blank 10 years. Sentence 2. I have worked here blank last January. Sentence 3. She has waited blank 30 minutes. Sentence 4. We have been friends blank school. Write your answers in the comments. Later, you can check the answers. Answers are 4, since, 4, since. Let's talk about daily life situations. Situation 1. Studying. I have studied English for 5 years. I have studied English since 2019. Situation 2. Living somewhere. I have lived in this town for 10 years. I have lived in this town since 2014. Situation 3. Friendship. We have been friends for many years. We have been friends since childhood. Situation 4. Waiting. I have been waiting for 20 minutes. I have been waiting since 5 p.m. Situation 5. Working. She has worked here for 6 years. She has worked here since 2018. These examples are very common in daily life. You can use them in conversation. Let's practice together. I will start. I have studied English for 6 years. I have studied English since school. I have used this phone for 2 years. I have used this phone since 2023. I have known my neighbor for 10 years. I have known him since childhood. I have waited here for 15 minutes. I have waited here since 5 p.m. That was easy. Yes, small sentences help learners. Practice every day. Make your own sentences. Use since and for. Write them in the comments. And remember the rule. For equals duration. Since equals starting point. Now it is time for a game. Yes, a mistake correction game. We will say a sentence, but the sentence will have a mistake. Your job is to find the mistake and correct it. Ready? Let's start. Sentence 1. I have lived here since 5 years. Is it correct? No. It is wrong. What is the correct sentence? The correct sentence is I have lived here for 5 years, because 5 years is a time period. Good. Sentence 2. She has studied English for 2019. Is it correct? No. What should we say? She has studied English since 2019, because 2019 is the starting point. Sentence 3. We have waited since 2 hours. That is incorrect. Correct sentence? We have waited for 2 hours. Sentence 4. I have known him for childhood. That that is wrong. Correct sentence: I have known him since childhood. Sentence 5. She has been sick for Monday. That is incorrect. Correct sentence: she has been sick since Monday. Great! Did you correct them? If yes, good job. If not, keep practicing. Now we will do more exercises. Listen carefully. Exercise 1. I have worked here 3 years. Think. Answer 4. I have worked here for 3 years. Exercise 2. I have worked here 2021. Answer: since. Exercise 3. They have been married 10 years. Think. Answer: 4. Exercise 4. They have been married 2014. Answer: since. Exercise 5. She has waited 2 hours. Answer: 4. Exercise 6. She has waited 3 p.m. Answer: since. Very good. Let's try some harder ones. Exercise 7. I have not eaten. Morning. Answer: since. Exercise 8. We have studied 4 hours. Answer: 4. Exercise 9. He has lived in this house childhood. Answer: since. Exercise 10. They have practiced football 2 months. Answer: 4. Nice practice. Now, let's practice small conversations. These are real-life situations. Situation 1. At school. How long have you studied English? I have studied English for 5 years. I have studied English since school. Situation 2. At work. How long have you worked here? I have worked here for 3 years. I have worked here since 2022. Situation 3. Talking about friendship. How long have you known her? I have known her for 10 years. I have known her since childhood. Situation 4. Waiting at a bus stop. How long have you been waiting? I have been waiting for 30 minutes. I have been waiting since 4 p.m. Situation 5. Talking about living somewhere. How long have you lived here? I have lived here for 8 years. I have lived here since 2016. These are very common questions. You will hear them often. Practice answering them. Part 2. Listener challenge. Now we have a listener challenge. Yes, this is a fun activity. We will give you situations. You make the sentence. Use since or for. Situation 1. You started learning English in 2020. What sentence can you make? Example answer: I have learned English since 2020. Situation 2. You studied English for 3 hours today. Sentence: I studied English for 3 hours. Situation 3. You know your best friend from childhood. Sentence: I have known my best friend since childhood. Situation 4. You waited for your friend for 20 minutes. Sentence: I waited for my friend for 20 minutes. Situation 5. You started working in 2021. Sentence: I have worked here since 2021. Try writing your own sentences. Write at least 5 sentences. Use both since and for. This will improve your English. Practice makes learning easier. Now, a quick quiz. We will ask 5 questions. Ready? Question 1. I have lived here 10 years. Answer: 4. Question 2. I have lived here 2015. Answer: since. Question 3. She has studied 2 hours. Answer: 4. Question 4. She has studied morning. Answer: since. Question 5. They have played football 1 hour. Answer: 4. Great. Did you get them right? If yes, excellent. If not, practice again. Before we finish, let's review. Good idea. What is the rule? 4 equals time period. Example: 2 hours, 5 days, 10 years. And since equals starting point. Example: Monday, 2018. Morning, childhood. Also remember the tense. These words often use present perfect. Example, I have lived here for 5 years, or I have lived here since 2018. Simple rule, easy to remember, but practice is important. Make your own sentences, speak them out loud, write them down, and use them in conversation. The more you practice, the better you become. That is the secret to learning English. That is the end of today's episode. Today, we learned about since and for. We practiced many examples. We corrected mistakes. We played games. And we completed a listener challenge. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your friends. And write your practice sentences in the comments. We would love to read them. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.